is bonding with the birds, with the baby. Do you like to pick the eggs?
Yeah.
It's so lovely to have some birds. Oh, let me see them. Oh, these are really nice eggs. This actually the layers. When we pick the vegetable, the soft ends that we have to eat, we allow them to flourish on this end, and they actually try to scatter the ground, you know, just for a short while. Then we'll send them in. Some other different breeds of layers that are in here. You can see them. This one came after this one actually laying. The one inside have not started laying. They are just 10 weeks. We are expecting some eggs soon. And this is our vegetable. You can see. This is the amount of vegetable we've harvested already. See a whole full basket of vegetable. It is green, it is yummy, it is nutritious, and this is the best way to go. That's the garden. Spread out, everything is green, everything is yummy. And this is the chicken coop, where here we come to harvest eggs. We have eggs here, we have chicken to eat, and everything. So this is Mira Farms. This is Mira Farm in Cincinnati. You can see. Oh, Mira. Huh? I let the vegetable. No, they enter even for that pan. They start up all. Hey, don't eat it. Oh, this guy, don't eat it. Chamo, go and take it to. I forgot this one.
Michael has your crowbar.
Yeah, don't leave it there. Leave the garden, Ali. Leave the garden. These girls, you have to leave the garden.
You have eaten small shit. Leave my garden, go.
Leave the garden, you've eaten enough.
That's enough for you.
You know. And this is Mira herself.
Oh yeah, the original
Mira, the original farm girl. Send it outside.
They'll still come after it.
Send it outside, they'll still come after it. So.
Okay, let me do my barrier.
Yes, do your barrier. Oh.
I don't want them yet.
Oh yes. These are the birds. It's so lovely to have some birds. That's the chicken coop. And that's Mira. Mira herself at Mira Farms. Yes. And this is where we always have the eggs. They picked them already today, but let's just check it. Much eggs. Papa, can you see that?
Eggs!
We have much eggs today.
Eggs!
These are the number of eggs we have.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5, 6, 7,
This
8.
household is blessed. How many eggs?
8.
And the kids, they're always happy to come and pick some eggs. Do you like picking the eggs?
Yes.
He wants to go and play. So we have eggs here. You see, this household is blessed with fresh product. From eggs, we are picking the eggs. Yes, keep picking the eggs. Do you like to pick the eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see them. Oh, these are really nice eggs. Just put them here so that at the end of the day, we take a picture with what we have.
Okay.
And yes, they are eating. Can you see the birds? The table birds are actually eating. Mira is bonding with the birds, with the babies.
Yeah, this is bonding time.
This is really bonding time. Mira, you are doing really great. You are really great.
Thank you.
It seems as if the birds know you and they are producing very good, healthy eggs. Wow. This backyard is really nice. It's really nice. There's everything here. There's really everything here. I'm telling you, it already ready now. Small time it can't start laying. You see, this one is very big. Very soon they will start laying. So we are waiting any time from now. We'll start having some fresh eggs and see the eggs that we collected today. Can you see that? Fresh eggs for morning breakfast. Yes, these other ones. Catch them, catch them. If we don't actually catch these ones and put it back, then this is a brown day, so they're strong. You know, they will eat the other ones. They will say, oh, we don't know you, where are you coming from? You know, they have different houses.
You know, the pecking order is maintained already with them. So
Yeah.
if you introduce new flock in there, will be chaos.
There will be chaos, really.
Chaos, serious chaos.
There will really be chaos. So yeah, we have our eggs and we have our vegetables. Eating time, eating time. From the farm to the kitchen, direct to the kitchen. Fresh vegetables, fresh eggs, fresh chicken, kati. Ah! You see. And you can see the children are playing. The children are also playing with Big Brother. We have chicken cup, we have vegetables, we have maize, we have a place for the children to play, and everything is just serene. This backyard is wonderful. So rich. So rich. So rich. The children are playing, picking some eggs. The chicken are there. And this is the way to go in the night neighborhood that we have. Oh yes, we have some ducks. We have some ducks also. Can you see the ducks? They have come to register their name. They are always bagging. They are always bagging, right? But they are our friends. They are very nice. We love having them around. Because everything is around the vicinity, so you can't really get stressed. This is a compost pile. You can see the compost pile. So next year we'll be able to have some good compost. This compost pile. Hey, why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? It's so nice. So this is how the backyard is. Please, we encourage everybody to start planting some fruits in the backyard. Green your backyard. Put some maybe chicken, you know, so that all your scrap can be recycled to food. Then all the waste from the chicken can be used for manure. It is easy to do. Mira Farms is operational and is doing it big time. So everybody.
What is this? Is it
Can you
caterpillar?
see that? It's caterpillar now. It's caterpillar.
How many chop, huh?
I think he has to metamorphose to maybe a butterfly or something like that. And if you metamorphose into a butterfly, it might be a nice butterfly. So what do?
I give it to my chickens.
We feed the chicken or allow the butterfly.
Free food.
Free food. Free chicken food. Okay, so we are using the caterpillar to feed the chickens. We have to feed them.
Okay, I got my one green caterpillar right here. Let me see what the chickens are going to do.
Oh, yes.
So it's going to pick.
Nobody is picking it. Is there anybody picking?
Let me see who will pick. Oh, it fell down.
It fell down, but let me see whether they will still pick.
Let me take this one and see if somebody will pick.
That pick.
No, not yet. Yup, that one got it. Oops, she got it.
Ooh.
Oop.
She got it. She got the caterpillar and she's running away with it. Everybody wants a bite. Done. Let me see. I hope you don't die, you know.
I'll mark you first.
Yes.
You will mark here.
Mind this.
Now see who I pick. That's good now. The yummy treat.
It's food. It's food. It's food. Tomorrow maybe we'll produce 2 eggs. Because I ate something special today. Okay, please, that was it for today. Please like, follow. If you are new here, you follow, interact with our video so that when next we post new videos of our farm, you'll be able to see it. Please be inspired to start a garden today. It is always better to plant something than to plant nothing. So what are you still waiting for? Get out of the house, go out and plant. and thank me later. Gardening is such a good profession. It's such a nice thing that if you start gardening, you will never stop. Just go out and try it. Look at the chicken. So nice, so yummy. And look at the vegetable. This is fruit, man. This is fruit. Right behind our own garden. Just to feed our family, and the children are playing. So it was so nice, so nice, so nice. Mira.